Hello, good afternoon, teacher. My name is Marlene Benavides. I am 25 years old. I am from Cajamarca. I like to play soccer and listen to music. I am a clinical laboratory technician. On my last vacation, I went to visit my mother. First, I went to the bus terminal, bought a ticket to Cajamarca. I arrived at my mother's house where she welcomed me, and they shared my favorite meal. After that, we talked about my class in Lima and how they were going, and in the afternoon we went to visit my grandmother since she lives her house. The next day we left early for the district because my mother that check house. Finally, the day arrived return to the city back because I went for a short time. Thank you so much.